Happy New Year to all. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm with a very interesting topic, that is how to get your ex back. If you're someone new, please consider in liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, and also please don't forget to hit the bell icon for new video notification. So let's get started. If you're someone who had a fresh breakup, don't worry, I'm there to help you guys. Getting your ex back is really very easy, perhaps more than you imagine. So here goes our step number 1 to get your ex back even after a bad breakup. This is our step number 1. Get away from negative thoughts. I can understand that when you are undergoing a breakup, there will be a lot of negative thoughts popping up in your mind, right? So, what you should do to remove such negative thoughts? It's really simple. In order to remove any negative thoughts, you first need to make your mind calm. In order to make your mind calm, all you need to do is say affirmation. Affirmations make your mind calm and increase the positivity in you. We all know that everything in the universe is vibration, right? So whenever we are thinking positive about a person, that particular vibration will definitely match with the other person. Okay, so if you want me to make a video on how to practice affirmation, then drop a comment in the comment box. I will be happy to help you. And also, I have made a detailed video on how to remove negative thoughts. The link to it is provided in the description box and also in the top right corner of the I button. Don't forget to check it out. It's very important, okay? So here comes the step number 2, the most important step to get your ex back. This is the most important step. I'm saying you this in a stressful manner because this is the most very important step. The method I'm going to teach you is a mantra. Yes, you heard it right. It is a mantra which helps you to bring your ex back. The mantra I'm going to tell you is Red Tara Mantra. This mantra has the most effective method to bring your ex back to you running. I will be giving you the link to it in the description box. What you need to do is just listen to this Red Tara mantra and visualize exactly how you want to see you both when you are patched up. Like how you want to propose him, how he will be proposing you as a wife, then he is asking you to start your family, and such that once it's done, then let's practice letting go. Okay, so here comes the step number 3, that is letting go. The letting go is the most important step in the manifestation process. The letting go allows you to bring that person more closer to you. Perhaps everyone among us will be thinking that why letting go? Because the more you think about a person, the more negative you will be start to think about the person. Like, is he dating with someone? Has he moved up with any other woman? Like that, many such negative emotions comes, right? So this is what it is, vibration. Everything in the universe is vibration. So when I am giving you the good vibration of mine, the positive vibration of mine, you are getting attracted towards me. In the same way, just give the positive vibration to each and every one of you are surrounded with you. Then only you can get that particular positivity from the other person. Everyone whom we see is just a reflection of who we are, how we think about ourselves, how we address ourselves. Then only the more important you have to give about whom is about you yourself. When you always think about that person, then how that person is going to come back to you, because that person will never see any value in you. The term is any value in you. Now, in order to practice letting go, I know that it is very difficult because I'm just saying you that I have seen the most of the times that the people saying letting go is the most very difficult part in the manifestation process, because when we have a breakup 200 to 300 times, we might be calling that person, we might be apologizing that person. So when they see such messages, they don't have any value to you, they don't have any importance to you. So this is what something they feel like, no, this person is, no, not, there is nothing what you can say important in that person, or nothing adventurous in this person, right? So what you have to do is you have to practice this red tara mantra. Visualize yourself, you both see, you both are together, what and all you want him to say to you, just visualize it. Practice this affirmation, practice this red tara mantra and visualize it, and then practice letting go. Then once you are done with this letting go, no, that person will come to you running very, very quickly. I'm 100% sure that your ex is going to come back to you very soon. So now when we are practicing this letting go, you might be asking me, so what should I do next? How will I just leave without him, or how can I just adjust the time? It's very simple. Involve in any such matters that makes you feel happy and excited about, or to go for a holiday, go for a vacation. My friends, one thing I can 100% say you that men always want women who are independent. Independent means financially independent, everything, everywhere they want an independent woman. In fact, they want a mentally strong woman. Okay, so I know that in some cases we women cannot become mentally strong, we cannot become that much of what can say strong as the men do. I can understand that, I can relate to it. But whenever you are in a relationship, you have to show only your positive traits to that person. It's very difficult to get a person who just accepts you with the negative also. Negative means, I'm not saying that showing the emotions is a negative thing, but in front of that person you have to show them that you are independent in every way. So you are financially independent, you can drive your own car, you can live without him. This is what something you have to show him. You have to show him that even after the breakup, I'm not broke by heart, that if you are there in my life or you are not there in my life, I will live my life in a very cooler way. This, when he sees you like this, no, he is definitely going to come back to you very soon. He will just leave all the girls behind and will come back to you running. So what you should do, you can practice anything that makes you feel happy. I have also posted on how women can be financially independent. The link to it is provided in the description box, and also you can check in the I button in the top right corner. I hope that this video is beneficial for you. Don't forget to just check out my description box, where I will be giving you the link to the red tara mantra, which is most important in this manifestation process. Just listen to it, and with completely faith and calm and cool mind, just listen to it. Once you listen to it, then definitely you are going to get him back to you very soon. This is 100% guaranteed. 100% I can assure you. Okay, so until I come with my next video, this is bye from Manifesting Dream ADC. Bye bye.